Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to collaborate on projects using GetStencils. Collaborating on projects using GetStencil is a great way to work with teams, clients, or other on design projects. First of all, open up a preferred web browser and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free or sign up for one of the paid plans that offer collaboration feature. After that, create a new design or open an existing project. GetStencil allows you to share your design with others so they can view or edit the project. Here how to share. Click on Preview and Share button. You can share on Facebook, Twitter, or other social media platforms. You can also set permission after connecting your account and sharing it. After collaboration, once the design is final, you can download the project in a preferred format, PNG or JPEG. You can also directly share your design to social media platform or email depending on your needs. While collaborating, make sure you clearly communicate with your team about design changes, deadlines, and feedbacks. Tools like Slack, Google Docs can be helpful for this. If working on multiple projects, organize your design with specific titles or categories to avoid confusion. By following these steps, you can easily collaborate with others on design projects in GetStencil, making the design process more efficient and enjoyable for your entire team. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.